Hello, welcome to Math Companion. Now, working out the dy dx of each of these. Okay, so dy over dx. Actually, we are going to use the power rule. As we know, the power rule for working out the derivative, it means if you have y is equals to a x to power n, then if you're looking for dy over dx, the answer should be equal to a, you multiply by n, which is going to be an, then x to power n minus 1. So this is what we are going to use to find the derivative of each of these. Now, the first equation, the dy dx, is therefore going to be the coefficient of x to power 5 is 1. So 5 times 1 is 5, x to power 5 minus 1, which is equals to 4, plus for x squared, the coefficient is also 1. The number right behind x squared is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2, x squared minus 1. So x squared minus 1, it's going to be equal to x to the power 1, which is just equal to x. All right, the next one, dy over dx. For this one is going to be 3 times 6 is 18. X, now x to power 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 18x squared plus negative 2 times 5 is going to be negative 10. So plus negative 10 x to power 2 minus 1. So x to power 2 minus 1 is actually going to be equal to x to power 3. So finally, in our simplified form, our answer is going to be 18x squared. Now, plus, and the negative 10 is going to be minus 10x to power negative 3. Now, the next one here, dy dx for this, dy over dx will be equals to 1 over 6 times 2. 1 over 6 times 2 is going to be equal to, guys, let me write it here. So 1 over 6 times 2. All right, this is going to be 2 over 6, which is simply equal to 1 over 3. Therefore, for the first case here, we are going to have 1 over 3, 1 over 3 x. Now, what is 1 over 6 minus 1? 1 over 6 minus 1 is actually going to be negative, it's going to be negative 5 over 6. Therefore, it's going to be to the power of negative 5 over 6 plus, now the coefficient behind here, 3 quarters times 1, it is 3 quarters, or 3 over 4, x. But what is 3 over 4 minus 1? It's going to be equals to negative a quarter. So x raised to power negative a quarter. All right. Now, next part, the last question. So dy over dx is going to be equals to negative 1 times 3 is negative 3x, and then negative 1 minus 1 is going to be negative 2. Guys, look, negative 1 minus 1 is actually negative 2. All right, so minus negative 3 over 2 times negative 5. So negative 3 over 2 times negative 5. The answer is going to be 15 over 2. So this is going to be 15 over 2, all right, x. And now the power we have in the power we have to subtract 1. So again, negative 3 over 2 minus 1. Negative 3 over 2 minus 1, actually we're going to get negative 5 over 2. So raised to power negative 5 over 2. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and click the notification button to get notified about every interesting mathematics question that we keep on posting. I wish you the best for today. Bye bye.